Hi, this is Jack from Estate Trader. This is my weekly episode. This is an 8-bed, all-en-suite HMO conversion. I've not been in for a while, so this is off the cuff. I'm going to come in and show you. So we are at first fix stage still. Sparkers have been in today. Started wiring. Yeah, it's well underway. Yeah. So as you can see in here, this was the kitchen. The kitchen wall was here. There's still a doorway to come here, but this is where the kitchen's going to be. Now on the drawing, this wall is set to come out, but this wall is acting as the buttress to secure it all because we've had some movement at the top, which you've seen on the first video. So this wall's actually stayed in to give it some support. Why they've not done those bay windows? Done the front bay windows, but not the back ones. This is bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, first fixed, just about. So you can see there's some steel work gone in here. Good size steel that, isn't it? Yeah, so this steel has gone in to support the purlin, which we'll see upstairs. This steel has gone in here to open this doorway up, to make this room a lot bigger. Then we've got more steels through here. So this is where we had the hairline crack coming through here, coming all the way down here. And then we've had this steel installed and this one. And then we've had this diaphragm wall. So this is the diaphragm wall. This has just been OSB ply. So this acts as a support and acts as a buttress to stop any more movement. That's what building control wanted. You can see the crack up there. There's not been any more movement, not with the looks of that. So yeah, I think we're all right. And these steels will also support it as well. These steels have been put in for the box, which we'll go and see upstairs in a minute. So the crack hasn't moved. We've managed to put a diaphragm wall up, and building control outruled it because when we dug an access hole to the footing, we actually found a brick spreader, which I'm going to draw a brick spreader for you now. So back in the day, once you had a brick wall, you had 2 courses of brickwork spread out to the footing, laid on just normal soil, and that was an old footing. Nice technical drawing there. So then once we dug down here and found the brick spreader, we noticed it actually had a concrete footing under the brick spreader. So building control have completely outruled underpinning, because that's essentially what underpinning would be. So winner winner. So this is the steel down here. You've got the steel which has been installed there to support this purlin. You've got the steel over here for that box. It's a good sizes. It seems a lot bigger when you're up here. That's all been opened up. So up here you're going to have, if we shut that a minute, so this stairway's staying. So as you get up here, you're going to come round, doorway. This is going to be into bedroom 8. You're going to have a stud wall here. You have a doorway there into bedroom 7. Ensuite in the corner. And then you're going to walk in the doorway to bedroom 8 here. You're going to walk through here. You're going to have an ensuite going along here. And then you've got a kitchenette here. It's a good size. Yeah, so we're well above schedule. So this is week 3. Hopefully we're going to be wind and watertight tomorrow. So that is a nice little walk around tour of my 8-bed HMO. Well above schedule, we're 3 weeks in. We're going to be wind and watertight tomorrow. We've got the electricians in currently, they're going to be back in tomorrow. We've got building control coming to sign off the first fix back end of next week, maybe the week after. So yeah, well above schedule. Going to have a drawdown soon on the build loan, probably in about another 10 days, 10 working days from here. Yeah, tune in for the next one.